Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and iOS version because diagnostics vary by device. Once you've backed up to iCloud or Finder, remove cases and screen protectors to rule out pressure issues. Make sure to clean the screen with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl wipe. Debris often blocks touch. Disable Touch ID or Face ID while testing so settings don't interfere. Now power cycle the phone. Hold the side button and volume down until you see the slider, then restart. Once done, open accessibility and use touch accommodations to pinpoint unresponsive areas. You can slow touch response or enable touch hold to see behavior differences. If software seems at fault, update iOS first. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and plugged in. If the problem persists, reset all settings to avoid data loss while clearing misconfigurations. For stubborn issues, reinstall iOS through Finder or Recovery mode. This repairs system files without erasing your data when done correctly. You're almost done. Test the touch after a restore or in minimal app use to confirm whether an app caused the problem. If touch still fails in multiple areas, inspect for liquid exposure or a separated screen edge. Those are hardware signs requiring Apple or certified repair. Make sure to check warranty and Apple Care status before opening the device. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, record a short video showing the issue and the iOS version. That speeds up support diagnostics and claim approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.